Welcome to Homely Things. Today we are going to make kismis. First, boil water in a bowl. Add grapes in boiling water. Water level should be high and grapes should settle in the bottom. Let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we can see the grapes are slowly floating. Put off the gas when all the grapes come to the surface. Now put all the grapes on a cotton cloth and slowly pat to remove extra water. Now spread the grapes and put it in sun for 2 days. Your kismis is ready.